Okay, try that. Does that work, guys? Are we getting anything yet? Tell me if that works. I know, Mike. I know. There we go. Very low though. Ah, it's better than nothing, my friends. I don't even know what the hell is going on here. Just give me a second. Is that better? There we go. Okay, I just switched to the mic to my camera. I don't know what is going on. I have no. Okay, anyways, it should be a little bit louder now. I hope, guys. There's nothing I can really do about it. I'll mess with this later on. Sorry about that, guys. Perfect. Okay, so I don't know what, or my mic isn't working. This thing right here isn't working. So it says it is on the computer, so I don't know. I touch it and the bars go up and down. But anyways, let's move on with that. Guys, sorry about the white bright screens here. Does anybody know how to put Weeble into dark mode on the screen? I did it before. That's what's giving me the blast of the light here, guys. I'll try to kick it down a bit on the adjustments on the actual thing. You're just give this. It's just gonna be setting up more than anything this morning, guys, and hanging out. Okay. It's just that I had to reformat my computer. I got a new router. It cost me about $300, which I don't care about the money, but it's a pain in the ass. Like it's really. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it says that everything's working here. So, anyways, I'm gonna try adjusting this screen here for you guys, and that's the next thing I'll do. Is I haven't had a chance to do this. I was so happy to get on here this morning, guys. So that's all that was on my mind this morning. That's even worse. Damn. Okay, so yeah, does anybody know how to try widget setting? Yeah, I'm on that. I got it set for to take the blue out of the yellow there, Christopher, so it's not as bright on my eyes. But I can't. There's nothing on the setting that's on it. It's actually on Weeble, my friend, and I don't know how to set that on dark mode. Just give me a second. Oh, I know where. I think I might know, guys. I think I might know. Go. Display. I hate messing around with any of these settings in here. It was in display, but it was in something else. Screen adjustment? No, that's not it. Sorry, guys. Anyways, how was your guys' weekend? I'm going to show that. Unlock you, Glock. How you guys doing? General settings under the dark theme. Yeah, that's where I am there, Christopher, right now. Oh man. The problem is I have one computer on Windows 11 and the other one is on 10. And oh man, okay. Display. Projection. Anyways, how was your guys' Halloween? Did you guys have fun? I had this the other day too. Figured it out. Why is it not working now? Okay, personalized. That's it. Okay. Now let's see how much trouble I can get into in here. Here it is, dark. There we go. You're a genius, Christopher. Do you want to move in with me, man? I got an extra room here and stuff, you know. So anyways, let's move this screen around. Mark it opened. There we go, guys. We are going to do, I'm just going to do a howl. I'm running. Okay, maybe I can do it. Let's see if I can pull this off. If everything crashes, though. Oh, I don't even know where it is because I formatted the computer. Okay. Ooh. I can't do it too loud because the dogs, man. There you guys go. Okay, at least I'm not a poor sport and I did it. Okay, so let's get everything back up here on the screen. Okay, everything's working. We haven't ruined anything. Damn, is that bright? It just won't. I got one screen to do it. Weeble has its own setting, my friend. So, you got off of the ghost make a little bit. Okay, I got one more option here, my friend. Give me a second. Camera configuration. Here we go. This is the last bit. This camera's so cheap, though. It's a cheaper version. I just don't have thousands of dollars to spend on this stuff. So, I just get by with what I can get by with, guys. We need this thing to squeeze because I do want to invest in some stuff too. I just don't want to change any of the, okay. Configuration, video configuration. Actually, I'm going to put that back. Okay. So brightness. There we go. Okay. Contrast. Oops. Too much. Okay. A little bit of gamma there. No, don't want to mess. Oops. Take that down just a bit. Oh, it's that. Do you know what's messing with me? Is these LED lights in here a bit, guys. That's freaking hilarious. I'm trying to do... Okay, we'll hit some exposure here. There we go. Oh, my neck. Damn it. Okay, let's fine tune this a little bit. Ooh, too dark. Are you guys okay with that? That's not too creepy for you? Is that creepy? If it's too bright, put some shades on. Oh no, I'm worried about you guys. No, man, I can rock this shit, man. Okay. Anyways, there we go. It's done. We're done. We're good. We're good. Can you guys hear me? Everything's good? Okay. Sorry about the white screen behind me on the platform here with Weeble. You guys are gonna have to deal with that. I know, Ed. It's all good, guys. It's all good. I know. Ed, you guys don't even know. Felix, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'll go through the list. I have spent about 15 to 20 hours. I had to format the computer actually twice because it was locked on dark screen, some glitch in the software. I couldn't see to adjust my apps. And then I had to buy a new router. I had to get TELUS up here, which is our internet provider. He came out here. They charge $150 because of COVID just to come in your house in case they have to go get vaccinated or in quarantine. It's part of their protocol. Oh man, it was just one thing after another. I was so upset about the $150. They didn't tell me about any of this stuff. They all of a sudden, they put it on your bill. He's like, oh, sign this paper to authorize a $150 charge onto your bill. I said, for what? You never did anything, right? And they're like, no, it's part of COVID. I said, how does that help you with COVID? It puts me in a bad situation, not you guys. So anyways, it is what it is. So the proof is in the pudding. Look what I will do for you guys. Because if I didn't have all you guys that I love on here, man, and all my friends and brothers and sisters, I would have just shut the channel down. Trust me, I would have. And I wouldn't have had a problem doing it. Because like I said, I just do it for you guys, right? Well, for myself too, but I'm just telling you that it wasn't even part of my options in my head. But if it wasn't the followers and stuff like that, and the way that you guys are solid and you ladies are solid, like you guys are, and ladies are very, very good people. And just, I had a whack of emails come in from you guys. Are you okay, man? And just the love that you showed me and stuff, I had to get this done. So, anyways, JP, good morning. Okay, I'm going to go through there. I like this, the way that, the way these candles are ripping here, man. I have been watching this from the back, the back of the principal's office. I'm just joking. But, yeah, we had a shitty couple days there. Hey, guys. It is what it is. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to go through the list here, guys. We're going to use the laptop because I don't want to touch this friggin' computer anymore, man. I'm just... Anyways. I can't believe how, out of all of this, my wife is awesome. She's bringing me in dinner, stuff like that. I was so frustrated with it. Just because I'm not a computer guy, and the thing is, like, Windows 11, 10, I'm stuck on Windows 8 in my head. So, and it is what it is. These websites that show you how to fix stuff with Microsoft, they all should be erased. They're junk, because there's like 50 different types of computers out there. So anyways, guys, I wanted to say thank you for all the emails and stuff. And sorry about the meetings on the chats. I had to cancel everything. I just didn't have internet. And it was lagging so bad, the stuff I did have. So I wanted to rearrange all of our appointments this week. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys taking it easy on me. But yeah. Okay, good morning, Joshua. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, Christopher. Tess, good morning. Welcome back, bro. Alfred, Roberto, OG. Sorry, I'll do the Canadian version. OG. Okay, I'll do the Canadian, my accent here, my slang. Gloria, good morning. Headstock, good morning. Lord, good morning. Sanjay, good morning, brother. Holy shit. Oh, look at all you guys on here. Oh, Barbara, good morning. Oh, right on, guys. This makes me feel really good. Okay, about you guys all come. Michael, good morning. Prince 79, good morning. Wow, guys. Oh, wow, man. This is awesome. Mr. L, good morning. We got two Michaels on here. Good morning. Glock, good morning, brother. Oh, wow. Jason, sorry. BMO, I remembered. Good morning, bro. Alina, good morning. Alina, I haven't seen you in a while. Right hand. Felix already said good morning, but good morning to you again, my friend. Ed, good morning. Jason, good morning. We're going to have to make an appointment for a meeting. What is work good for you, my friend? Just send me... I'll go off of your work schedule, bro. Just send me whenever you want to do a chat together on camera. Richard, good morning. Sorry, Richard, good morning. And same with you. Can you both send me an email? Anything in the afternoon, take in consideration the time difference. I am on Pacific, okay? I'm the Pacific region for time. So any of you both two on there, and Dee, if she's on here, can you guys just even tonight, I will send you something. We can do a voice chat. I just want to get this wrapped. Just because we got to do this, guys, and that's all on me. Did I miss? Oh, JP, good morning. D, you are on here. Good morning there, girl. Good morning, D. Joshua, good morning. Raphael, good morning. Wow, everybody, Pawn's on here too. Good morning, brother. Wow. Aw, thanks, guys. Oh, right on. I love y'all, man. This is awesome. Okay. Oh, it's all good, brother. You're working. I know. I respect you guys, the ladies that are working. Manji, thank you for all the messages and good morning there, my love. Okay, we got the whole crew here today. Wow. Can you guys? Is this camera? I'll set this up. Oh, wrong way. Let's adjust this a little bit. There you guys go. And I got a different camera angle too. Hopefully you're not looking up my nose, right? I could put it back up there. It's just that I probably should. I don't know. It's maybe I just moved it because I was moving everything around. Okay, Jamal, good morning. Jason, holy crow. I know Glock. There was guys. Pretty much everybody on the channel emailed me, and it was awesome. It's just that I couldn't. I answered as many as I could, but I didn't have data. Right. I had data on my phone. It's just that I maxed it out. Just trying to keep this channel going, like without airing. There's lots behind the scene that you have to do. You have to keep it going with and talking with YouTube when your channel's down. When you're not doing any logging on to it in 48 hours, you have to go to AdSense and keep, because you advertise on the commercials. If you don't do that, they could potentially give you a strike for participation in YouTube. Okay. Oh, thanks, brother. Thanks, man. Okay. Let's actually do some stock stuff today, guys. Okay. That's hard to look at, but I'll try to get used to it. Okay. Okay, we're going to start down, or whatever. I'm all out of sync here, guys. I do want to say one thing. Because I know a lot of you copy my portfolio and you buy stocks. Jerry, brother, you got back on there. What was wrong? Why couldn't you talk on the chat bar, man? Yeah, I was just wondering. So anyways, guys, I did want to talk to you about ticker symbol SU, Suncor Energy. I know a lot of you have bought in stocks that I have on the board here, and a lot of them, our fellow UK and Americans, have, because you didn't, same as I didn't know about half the stocks in the States. It's called educating each other, right? That's what friends do. And I've educated you on some things. I just wanted to say, did anybody buy any Suncor? Because you got a hell of a good present if you did. Suncor Energy went up 100% in the dividends, okay? Their dividend, they made so much money in the last quarter that they increased their dividend 100%, okay? Just so you guys know that. And it went up a substantial amount. It's gone up from like $28 to $32.55. Oh, okay. I hope so, Manjeet. I hope so. Yeah. I hope so. I had to go on my line of credit and actually take some money out of there. First time I've ever had to do that. Cheaper than a credit card. It's only a couple percent. So, which it's on that now. I actually have a mortgage for $300. That's all I owe on my house, because it's on my line of credit towards my house, right? Because I didn't know anything, but it is what it is. It'll get paid off. I'm not worried about it. So, anyways, I hope so. I have not been. You guys probably. I should have just. One thing I could have done is left the chat bar up with the channel just running, not running, but like, because you guys could have talked. I wasn't even thinking about that. No, yeah, and I know Sanjay. Samuel, good morning. Do you have some more info on the synthetic shares you talked about last week? That we should be, that we would only be paid for what we. That's here, man. It did. I'm getting messages from YouTube that there's buffering issues. Wow. The internet signal's getting weak. I don't know. Don't ask me, guys. It is what it is. Here we go again. It was the same shit as before. Sorry, guys. The same thing. Damn it. Yeah, I can barely even see myself, man. It's doing the same thing as before when it crashed. Before last time. I've done everything. Just let me check my internet signal here. Give me a second, guys. What the hell is this? What the hell is all this crap coming up here now? The fuck? I don't want that. I don't want the news on here. What's going on? Come on. Give me a break. Okay. Oh, man. Are you kidding me? This is a joke. Okay. Okay, I'm just in the settings right now. Okay, what I'm going to do is disconnect this VPN I got on here. That's the first thing I'm going to do here. Give me a second. Gear, oh, did it? Okay, test, you got her? Okay. Bit rate. The stream current bit rate is 0, is higher than the recommended bit rate. Oh no, YouTube, what are you fucking doing to me here, man? It's gonna screw up again. Oh no. Okay, so guys, sorry about that. You're gonna hear that a couple times here. We've got full signal internet. We got 1 gig of transfer, man. That's not me. That's not me, man. That could have been the VPN slowing it down a bit, but why is the screen so blurry still? I can't even see myself. I'm gonna refresh this. Sorry guys, we're just gonna mess around like this today, get everything ready so we're good for the week, okay? There, I'm crystal clear again. Okay, never mind. We're good, we're good. Okay, so there we go. It must be that VPN. Did it? Okay, there we go. We're golden. We are golden. Okay, so it was the VPN slowing it down a bit. And I think it was a little bit to do with YouTube, because I was getting a bunch of messages about the stream shit, the bit rate. I can readjust that, but I have to shut the thing down. We're not going to do that. Okay, unless it gets crazy like that. Okay, so anyways, what were you asking? Don't touch anything. I'm not. Trust me. Okay, Manjeet, I'm sorry there, girl. Is AMC squeezing too? The synthetics Glock, are you still on there, bro? Do you want to have, what'd you come up with, and thank you for all the likes. Sorry, this is a pretty shitty airing podcast today, but at least we can hang out. But thanks for all the love. I got 20 likes, and oh man, and it's been hectic for you guys. I feel like a little kid here. Okay. So the synthetics, I'm going to look into that, guys. Like I said, I had no internet service on anything. I used up all my data just talking to my family on my phone. And if you're a Canadian, you know that data... I am. What's up? Okay, one of the wolves here asked, Samuel asked about the Okay, good morning. Do you have some more info on the synthetic shares you talked about last week? Oh, computer shares. Did you find out anything? You sent me an email, my friend, and I read it, and I just can't remember what it was. I'm just brain dead because I have so much on my mind. And no, I didn't hear anything about that, Samuel. The computer share thing, I was still waiting for a phone call. I don't know what is going on with that place. I think they got overswamped with so much stuff. They've never been this busy before in their life. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah, because I don't understand what's going on with that. Good morning, CD. So yeah, synthetic shares. I won't know the answer to that, my friend. That is something that we're gonna have to wait for, and I hate to say that, and it sucks big time. There's no way to find that out. What they're gonna do with that, right? And I won't. I'm not gonna put speculation out there. I've done enough of it. If I can't do that to you guys, because if I say it's all gonna be good 100% and it goes sideways, man, that's not cool, right? So what I did was I'm 50-50 on that. Okay, it is what it is. Like, I'm in the same categories. Everybody that thinks that they own weed, which before the stream shut down, all this stuff went sideways. Okay, 98% of my shares I thought were real from January. Okay, January is pretty much in January I bought most of them. Okay. What happened was I found out that pretty much if you think you own synthetics, you don't. Okay, there is no physical proof that they're real. Pretty much we all own synthetics. Okay, so pretty much the institutions, and because they can see what are in synthetics and what aren't, we can't, right? And if you phone up your broker or anything, they're gonna say 100% we don't deal with synthetics, or no, you have real shares. Because if they say that, they're gonna get sued, right? It's nobody's gonna admit that, but we know that they're going around, right? So it is what it is. So I I don't know what to say to you guys, man. Am I worried? Fuck yeah. Should you be worried? That's up to you. I can't control what you're doing. And it is what it is, right? I just wish there was a way that we could see what is real and what isn't, okay? The hedge funds can see. I don't know if the banks can see, but the brokers can see. But will they admit it? No. Will their family and friends get the real ones? Fuck yeah. Pardon my language, but yeah. They're going to give their friends and family the real ones for sure. Is there any real ones left? No. No, there isn't. The institutions and the owners of all these people that are CEOs, the ones that have the connections that can see what's real and what's not. Okay, it's easy to tell what's real and what's not if you have the computer format in front of you, okay? Because they're numbered, right? It's the same as like fake money, real money. You're going to see, or if they're numbered, you're going to see repeats of the number coming up, right? It is what it is, guys. I'm in the same category as you guys. I was joking around saying, oh, I'm going to buy $1,000 so I can have some synthetics in my account so I can be part of with you guys, right? I want to be equal. Well, I'm more than equal. So if that comes down to it, where I just want to switch, put the EMA on here, or I got to set my screen back up here. The MACD. Fuck, what's going on here now? EMA, I want the EMA. I have to have that on there. Just it doesn't really mean anything to this stock because it just I'm used to trading. It has to be on there. I have OCD with that shit. Okay, I have to know what it's doing. So, so guys, bottom line is, if it goes the bad way, is I'm somebody not to piss off in court. Okay, when it comes to this stuff, I know I don't even need a lawyer. Like I'll defend myself. I'm really educated in this shit. I have it all documented on my screens and shit. All of our YouTube videos. So if we go on a class action lawsuit, guys, I can't join one in the States. Okay, I've already looked into this and I already know that. But for Canadians up here, and you guys, your lawyers can contact me and you can get all the video footage you want, okay, from me, off of YouTube videos. We have all the proof right in every video we watch every day. We have like an archive of data, okay? For the Canadians up here in Canada, fuck yeah. We will do it as a team and go in, right? I will represent all of us up here, okay? I don't care. But I can't go to the States, or else I would. I'd travel down there and do it with you. I'm not allowed in the States for the rest of my life, right? It's the stupid laws. It is what it is. Even though I've had my vaccination and stuff, but it is what it is. But I'll help anybody out. This is a worst case scenario. We gotta prepare for this. It's probably not gonna happen, but I don't like to be caught off guard. It sucks, okay? But let's think positive. We do have a game plan. Most people don't. At least we don't have our heads up our ass, right? At least we've covered that ass. I'll try to think of some stuff. We got quite a bit of time before this squeezes still, okay? I know that for a fact, okay? It'll be in the new year. So, guys, I don't know, Sanjay, if I'd come and represent you guys over there if I'm allowed. I don't know. Is it Mr. L? Okay, good. Okay, so so I guess that deadline of October 25th passed, eh? I knew it wasn't going to squeeze on that day, guys. I'm very honest with you guys, right? And ladies, you can just tell in my voice, and yeah, you'll know when it's going to happen, right? You'll hear my voice totally change, right? Right on, Sanjay. But yeah, man, if I don't know, you can figure that out. If the laws are pretty much the same as the States, vice versa. If you have an impaired drinking, and I was convicted, right? I was a young adult, right? But it's gonna follow me for the rest of my life, right? It just is what it is, right? Same as if you have an impaired charge and you're convicted, you have to be convicted of it. You can't come to Canada. It's the same. It's whatever you do in Canada, you can't go to the States. Whatever you do in the States, you can't. Same charges, right? And I don't know about the UK, my friends. I'd love to go traveling there. I could call my travel agent, though. They would tell me right away, right? They give me a list. They printed a list out, but I just lost it. I can't go to over 75% of the places in the world just because of that charge, just so you know that. So anybody out there that's younger than me, younger than 44, well, it's my birthday next month, no, month and a half, but anybody younger than 40, don't screw up with drinking and driving, guys. It's not even worth it. It's not even worth it, man. It was stupid. Stupid, man. Picking up with a bunch of girls in my Chevy short box, jacked up truck, thinking I was cool, driving to another bar. Roasted. Straight pipe exhaust, loud as hell, thinking I'm cool, flames shooting the exhaust, like tromping it through the intersection. Oh, man. So stupid. Okay. Right on. Okay, guys. Enough joking around and stuff like that. I just want to throw some humor out there for you, my friends. Okay. So yeah, about the 25th, it did pass. Okay. The channel went down before that. I know that it was a big talk on YouTube about it. It was all over Twitter. Because of these rules, some rules that got changed, I can't. Oh, payment for order flow. I did hear got denied. Okay, so they're going to keep it in the States. That's what I just heard. I don't know if it's real factual. I haven't had it. Like I said, I haven't had internet, my friends. So I don't know. You guys know more about that than me. So Sanjay, you guys are awesome. You guys are fucking crazy, man. Oh my god. I'm glad oh man, if I would have known you when I was younger on travel, oh, fuck. It would be all in shit. It probably would have been good. It would have been good to go. So, we're gonna go through what time is it? It's good. It's the time. It's that time, guys. Cam, bro, I'll read this first. You gotta switch to the dark. Oh yeah, that's right. Yes, the sprocket on the bottom left. Okay, I'm in there right now. Sorry, bro. Thank you. Okay, how far is it down? I looked in here. The gear bottom left changed the theme from dark to light theme. You're friggin' awesome, man. Now it's too dark. Now it's creepy in here. Just hang on. This camera has lights on it. Oh, that's still too dark. Is that better? Is that too creepy, man, for you guys? Okay, we got her. You're a friggin' genius, man. You are a genius! Did you, John Glock? Did you? Did you? Yeah, I seen some things just ripping. Man. Good for you guys, man. I'm glad you're making some money. Okay, so I'm going to go through our stock screener here with our portfolio here, my friends, just for the ladies and gentlemen. And thanks, Tess. You're a freaking genius. You guys are you know this stuff. You probably went and looked on there to figure it out. And sorry, I wasn't ignoring you there. I just got a lot to talk about. I missed you, ladies and gentlemen, man. I just so much missed you. So anyways, let's go through, get back on track here. Start to get back in the rhythm. Okay, so GME, GameStop is 187.46. It's 2.15 in the green today. AMC is at $36. That's weird saying that. It is at $36, 1.78 in the green. American Airlines, AAL, ticker symbol, $19.07. 0.69 in, or 0.70 in the red. It keeps on changing on me. So this is the one I've made a lot of money on in the last week. Okay, SU, Suncor Energy is at $32.82. 0.83 in the green. Just gonna check something out here, guys. Oh fuck, what's all this shit? Just hang on. Give me a second. I gotta get rid of this. Oh, fuck. Can you tell I've redone everything? Can you tell that I've actually had to format everything and get rid of it all? They did double, yeah? It did go through. Okay, I just want to check that. Okay, I'll put this back on AMC. Okay, Carnival, ticker symbol CCL, is $22.35. It's in the green today. It's 0.81 in the green. Air Canada, $22.62, 1.94 in the green on that one. I'm actually down on that, it looks like. BlackBerry, this is what you were talking about there, Mr. L. Oh, Warren, dude, thanks for the messages and stuff on the wall on YouTube, man. I didn't kick you off the channel. I know you were stressed. Did I get banned off the channel? No, bro, you didn't, man. It was let's not even go there. Oh man, it's been a nightmare. There's tons of money just waste over stupid stuff. But anyways, it is what it is. Okay, ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry, $13.66. That's weird. 1366. Ooh, that's a weird number. And that's the Canadian price. Okay, on that, it's 2.17 in the green. The interest rate will be still the same. Canadian, American, UK, all the same. Okay, MVIS, $7.87, 3.36 in the green on that one. That one did weird in the last week here. Up, down, all around. Yeah, it was weird. Naked Brand, 61 cents, 2.26 in the green. Ticker symbol CGC. Canopy Growth, $12.86, 1.90 in the green. Sundial. Damn, won't this thing $65, 65 cents again? I wish it was at 65 bucks. For you guys, I don't own any, but I'd love you guys to make a whack of cash on that. 0.63 in the green on that. Percentage, that is. Wow. Crypto went up and then it went back down. Dogecoin had a really weird run there, eh? I heard some stories of people just cashing in on that. And because they know it was going to go back down. So I know a couple of people made 5 to 10 grand. I'm not going to mention who it was. That is up to you guys. A couple of you are on here right now. Okay, there's a couple of people that made about 5 to 10. They said, you guys got to stop sending me your bank statements, okay? You got to cover the numbers up, okay? You shouldn't screenshot that. Just, I do have VPNs and stuff, and you don't have to worry about me. It's just if ever somebody hacks my channel and they get hold of my email or something like that, I am going to get one of those keys, a thumb drive key that I can plug in to my phone and everything. It's just, don't do that, okay? Yeah, just, I don't know. It's cool, like, I like watching you guys do good, but try to cover it up or something. Photoshop it or something. Okay, so it's at 27, Dogecoin as crypto is 27 cents, 2.83 in the red on that. Cardano as ADA is $1.97, 0.37% in the green. Bitcoin, BTC, wow, it's gone up quite a bit. Wow, good for that, right on. A lot of people own Bitcoin. I don't own any, but $61,800. Holy crap, that's up there. 0.67 in the green. Ethereum. Oh, wow, that's up there too. And I own $20 to $5. Wow. It's $4,366 bucks. 1.66 in the green on that. Okay, I do want to check over here, and I'll jump into. I just want to see how the world's doing here. Ha! The world's doing good except us. No, I'm just joking. Everything's kind of stagnant. A lot of green there on this stuff. Holy crow! Look at this. ABVC is up 231% this morning. Pharmaceutical, bio. It's a definitely. I don't even have to look at it, and it's a pump and dump. Okay. Anything to do with pharmaceuticals or any of those small companies, metal companies or anything like that, they are pump and dumps if they're going up like that. Okay. You guys already know it. We've seen a lot of it. Okay. It's already overturned 46 million. Okay. The volume. Jesus, that's a lot. Fuck, there's a lot of people going to get screwed on that one. Okay. Ticker symbol ARTL is up 76 cents. I'm not going to go through any more. I just want to cover the top two there. And we are going to go into, sorry guys, I just want to check something else here. Okay, we're good. I just want to check that. Okay, any questions, my friends? Let's jump into here. Oh, Shiba flying over the weekend. I heard some stuff about Shiba Coin. They were actually doing They shouldn't have put. It was on it. Was it on the news? I read it somewhere. I don't know where it was. They were actually trying to do a pump on it. I don't know. The way they were doing it wasn't cool though. They can get themselves in shit over that. Actually, it was a bunch. It was some companies. I think it was Robinhood or something. Yeah, it was. It was Robinhood talking about it on a news feed. And why don't we have that? What the hell's going on? I had to set this all back up again. I thought my crypto's on here somewhere. Where's all the crypto? What's going on here? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, that's not. Maybe we got another watch list here. All stocks. Hang on. Watch list. No, I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with it. I don't know what the heck's going on here. So we are stuck on that. Usually we have a whole screen of something else on here, and I don't know where it went. I got a lot of work to do tonight on this. This is the refresh button. Okay, we'll refresh that stuff up. Okay, well done, whoever it was on the Doge. Yeah, I that's up to you guys if you want to talk about it. I know one of them's kind of doesn't really talk that much, but. Is that what it is? Yeah. Oh, hey, that MY. Is that the one? Do you own any? No, I didn't. No, I don't own any, bro. I don't. I was thinking about it, but I have reasons not to. But I just gotta watch what I say because it's just not my thing. Okay, I'll just put it that way. Dogecoin wasn't even my thing either. Okay, I seen that coin at 0.006. Okay, and I was gonna buy it, and if I was gonna put like 10 grand on it, maximum. Usually, I always, like you guys know, I buy $5,000 and $10,000 lots. That's usually what I buy, right? That's OCD. That's just the way I am. It has to be a number like that. It has to be one of the lots, right? If I'm going to make money, I'm going to make money. If I'm going to lose money, I'm going to lose it really good. That's just the way I go, right? So if I would have bought Dogecoin like at this is what, how many, it's in the millions behind the decimal. You go tens, hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands of a cent. I don't even know what it is. Do you guys even know? I can bring it up right now and we'll look at it. But I would have had tens, hundreds, thousand. So thousandths of a cent, I would have had it. So a thousandths of a cent, if I would have put 10 grand down, thousandths of a cent. How would you do that? Like thousandths of a cent would be tenths of a cent that'd be about $10 million, right? I would have made $10 million in a year. I think it was a year ago that it was at that, a year and a half. Do you own any? That's right. I would have been, yeah. And that was a year and a half ago it was that low. Right, my friends? I'm correct on that, right? I think I am. I'm pretty sure. Same thing happened with Bitcoin to me, but the thing is I don't know why I didn't buy it. I just same as with this sheep. Here, I'll look it up right now. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look, Ski. Oh, it's even. Okay. Here's how you figure it out, guys. Because on the other side of the decimal, it's ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We're talking about the blocks, okay? The decimal point. So if you move it one, on the opposite side, it starts at 10 instead of 1. Okay, I'm really being dumb here, like, okay? But there's some people that just don't know this, okay? So I'm just explaining it like I'm treating everybody equal, okay? So it goes tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s? No, 100,000. It goes 100,000. So 100. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, if that even goes to one cent, you guys are rich as hell. Yeah, it's up 8.6. See, it went up though, and then it went back down even lower than it went up. Now it's up a little bit more. I don't even know what it's doing though. 74 cents. It was up this morning late. I just want to have a look here, guys, because you kind of got my interest here. So let's go back on the chart here, because it's newer. Oh, maybe it's pretty new. See, it hasn't gone up much. Let's go back. Let's go back in the time here. Tens, 100,000, 100,000, 10, 100. Okay, it's kind of a little bit there. Okay, so we moved one decimal place in the last 3 years. That's quite a bit. Yeah, that's right, Sanjay. Yeah, that's right. I mean, yeah. Oh no, hey, yeah, I'm not saying anything Dogecoin. I'm just explaining on how I could have made money, right? I didn't buy it for a reason. And personally now, I definitely wouldn't buy it now, okay? Are you, Gloria? Depends. That's up to you guys. I just definitely wouldn't buy it, right? That's just my preference. I know too much about the coin, right? Not to buy it. Oh, do you, Gloria? Good. I'm not saying anything about you guys. You guys can do what you want. It's the same as I own a bunch of Canadian oil field stocks, and a lot of you are like, why would you own that stuff, right? Some people are in energy sector stuff. Some people are just in automotive. That's crazy. Yeah. So, but to be honest, you guys will think this is weird. I'm just gonna move all this junk off here too. You guys will think this is weird. Like I said, I own $25 Ethereum because I got it free. It's through my broker, right? One of you guys signed up, and I get free membership credits, right? Is that right, Tess? But the thing is, I'm looking at this chart here. I just want to look back. That's when it got listed in 2000. What the hell? What year is that? Oh, it's that new? Oh, shit. It's only... That can't be right. Is this only a year old? No, that can't be right. What's going on here? Is this thing only a year old? Fuck, it is too. Pardon my language, just over a year old. No, that can't be right. This chart's messing me up. It's being weird, man, because I don't know. Okay, anyways, I'll you. Yep, you said yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. It is only a year. I was thinking, is that right? Yeah, it is right, I guess. So if it's only a year old and it's already gone up 1 point, 1 decimal place, which is it could be quite a bit. Depends on how much you guys put down. Okay, so the reason why the only coin I'd actually buy into would be Cardano. Okay, it's the only coin I'd buy, right, out of all of them. I just have my reasons why, and the only way I'd buy it if it went back down to $1.70 or $1.75. I would actually take money out of my. I got some money put away. I got a little bit put away. Nothing to brag about. I had to actually go to my line of credit, but I have stuff that I can move around in my accounts to rob Peter to pay Paul, which I don't like doing. But the thing is I would take 10G out, 5 to 10 grand, and I would buy. What the fuck is going on here now? What the hell? Come on, get the hell off! I hate advertisement. Oh, I know what's going on here. So the thing is yeah, there's only a reason why I would buy that. Well, GameStop's up to almost $200. I got a block, 5.5% right now. GameStop is in the green. AMC's not far behind at 3.45%. Right on, guys. Yeah, that's Sanjay. That's kind of what it is. Whatever. Everybody has their own. Yeah, Sanjay. It will make it go up a bit. Yeah, AA is in it huge. Guaranteed that he is in on those plays. If he, see he. Okay, let me explain a CEO to you. A CEO doesn't do anything unless there's money involved in it. He doesn't have emotional attachments to people. Okay, a real CEO that is actually into his business hardcore. We've seen the way AA rolls. He will roll over on everybody around him just to make his company succeed. Okay, because in his eyes, he doesn't care about anybody else except his company. Because once his company succeeds, everybody else will do good in his eyes, right? And that I would hire a guy like that. I hate to say it, but I would. He's the perfect guy for that company. Can you trust him? No, you can't trust somebody like that. He's done it twice now. He's in two different ways that he is not for the retail investor. Okay, he gets on. He comes on. Oh yeah, man, I love you. I love you. You guys actually own this company. I don't. He's full of shit. Okay, he makes the calls. I just go by what I see. I know some people like him a lot, right? That's cool, right? A lot of people like Trump too. A lot of people don't, right? A lot of people like Trudeau. Well, I don't know about that. No, I don't think anybody does, but that's a bad one. So yeah, a good CEO or owner of a business can't have emotions and feelings attached. The best in the world are narcissistic. Okay, 90% of CEOs in these big billion-dollar companies, okay, are narcissistic. Okay, they don't have attachment or emotions or feelings. They are the best for the job, because when people come in and try to pitch them spiels and stuff like that, they don't have emotional attachment to people's families, people dying from cancer, any of that stuff that would jade them or veer them off of their track of success. It doesn't matter. They don't feel it. They don't care about that stuff. Normal people do. They can be put off a track because maybe somebody in this company got sick or their mom got cancer and is dying. They can take that emotional attachment and it can mess their judgment up. Where somebody that's narcissistic doesn't care if their mom dies. It doesn't mean anything to them. Okay, do you guys know what I'm talking about at all? Okay, so those guys they're all through. There's more narcissistic people in the world and you don't have to be narcissistic or psychopath, okay, to be a killer. You don't have half the psychopaths out there aren't killers. 3/4 of them, okay. I don't know if you guys know that, but a CEO that is a psychopath, narcissistic psychopath, it's pretty much the same. They have the same traits, okay. I just wanted to explain that to you guys, to the younger wolves out there that kind of, and look this stuff up. Watch some YouTube videos on it. Just don't be doing the self-tests. You might surprise yourself. I'm just bugging you guys. So yeah, they are the best for the job, okay, of the company. Usually psychopaths or CEOs. So yeah, yes, that's true, Joshua. That's their round 2. That's our double slap in the face by AA. Oh, he all of a sudden just found these shares, right? So he I wish I would have had the feeds. Okay, first let's get into this a little bit, just because there's a lot of new wolves on the channel, but I know there's a lot of new investors that are on this here. So we're talking about Aaron, CEO of AMC Entertainment Holdings. Okay, that's who we're talking about when I say AA. So the first, when we hit $70, we had here serious gamma coming in and FOMO. By that night, because we were getting close to market close by that day when we were hitting, it was climbing fast. We already kicked a breaker, like for volatility on the way up. One breaker, it kicked. But what he did was he totally lied to everybody. He said that he wouldn't do it, right? And the people he screwed around the most was Trey Trades and Matt Coors, because they put some videos out about, oh yeah, he's never going to do that. He told us live that and he did. He told us he wasn't going to dump them all at once like that. He would never do something like that. So anyways, instead of him throwing out like a couple out, like whatever, doing them in chunks, he squashed the squeeze just like the potential squeeze. We weren't in a squeeze yet, but any higher, those shorts would have started covering for sure. Okay, so he squashed that right there. It just collapsed it within a half an hour. Okay, it just went and just killed it. We didn't have the volume coming in enough at that time. We had a lot of volume, but not enough for something like that. So the thing is if he would have waited till the next day and jumped maybe 5 million or like 10 million even, do it in tenths, it would have had a dip. It would have recovered though. The problem is, and overnight, if it would have got to a 75, 78, some shorts would have started covering. They would have done it not in open market though, okay? They would have done it after hours. And like I said, about 4 to 5 at night to market open. The next day, things would have gotten friggin' crazy. 2, 3, 400% increase we would have seen. Market would have opened. Retail investors would have went in hard buying, hard. Then the shorts would have really started covering, and we would have been into a short squeeze. Okay, that's the only way it can happen. 100%. That's the only way it can happen on a short squeeze. So, but now he did an interview with Trey again. He just loves screwing Trey around and lying to people through Trey. Oh yeah, man, I'm an ape. I'm an ape, man. I watch all your guys' Twitter posts. Yeah, I try to comment to them all, but I don't have enough time. Bullshit. So, here we go. Yippee, cams off. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, crypto. Sanjay, I was waiting for that. So anyways, I think it was a week later. Oh yeah, we don't have any more shares. We only have 70 million shares. And then explained that this company issued shares back. They bought shares off us, or they traded some stuff for stock. We did good. We made another bunch of $1 billion. We got this much cash. Brag, 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 brag. But you guys own the company, man. You guys did this. I'm a fucking ape. You're an ape, man. We're good. We're good. We're bros, right? Right? I watch your guys' Twitter. I try to message, we're bros, right, guys? Right? I'm an ape. You're an ape, right? And then, oh yeah. What was it? 4 months ago? Oh, we have another 25 million shares to fuck you with now. That's what type of guy he is. Oh, we didn't really have them because it was the people in the company that actually owned them, and we all got together and we decided we have 25 million to sell now. That's nice. You lied to us again, bro. So, anyways, there you go. There's my take on him. Okay. Yeah, Joshua, you nailed it. I could see right through that shit. I put a video out on it. It's still there. I got over 100 hits down. Over 75 hated comments on it. I lost over 75 subs. Look at this push we're getting. And then about 3 months later, the truth came out. I was 100% right. Right? But did I go back in there and message those people back? No, I don't care. That's on them, not me. Right? People don't like education. Right? They don't like to hear the truth sometimes, right? But it is what it is, right? I like I said, I don't chase after people, right? If you want the truth, hang around, right? Oh, the silverback of Notre Dame. Yeah, he knows silverback, man. If it wasn't for us, he would have nothing. That thing, all it is paper screens and not even brick and mortar company. GameStop has more to offer than AMC, guys. All he has is his screens and a bunch of seats, all in his hand. He doesn't even own any of the buildings. He owns like 2%. That's nothing, right? They're all leased. That's why they were losing so much money so fast. They were on the verge of bankruptcy within weeks. No, Spartan. No. January 1st, he can dump those. Okay? The first of the year, my friend. No, that contract that says the 2022. Who the hell put that out there? I'll find that. I'll find that contract. Unless one of you guys wanted to find it first, because I'm hosting it. Okay, I thought it was real funny how he emphasized they first saved AMC, then retail stepped in and. Oh, they would have been bankrupt. Like I said, that they had no money coming in. It was leases were expired. There still have some leases that are in bad taste with the owners, because he didn't pay his money. All this money he made, he kept a lot of it, and people were confronting him, and that's why AMC is in a couple lawsuits right now. They're getting sued, right, by what's the company, and that is for sure. There's legal documents. They are actually getting sued. So, yeah, anyways, they are in a couple lawsuits right now. Does it hurt us? A little bit, because people don't like to invest in stuff that are in lawsuits, right? It scares a lot of investors away, but not really, because it's already sold. All the stock's already sold, right? It's not going to really hurt us at all. So anyways, yeah, we're at 4.33%. There you guys go. GameStop's almost at 6% right now. Wow, Microvision's up 9% right now. Oh, it went down a little. 8.88 or 8.80%. Doing really good. Wow. Come on, Sundial, go up, you fucker. How does CGC is not at half the company of Sundial, and it's up 5% almost. Okay, we'll have a beer night then if it does. Yeah, for sure, bro. Oh, and Spartan, I wasn't being hard on you there when I said that. I just wanted to say that. He did say a year. He did say a year when he said that, but that was a while ago, and it actually wasn't a year, because you have to remember AA likes to, it's called pacifying. Okay, I call it pacifying. You know, pacifier. It's pacifying somebody. It's making somebody telling them that what they want to hear, or the best thing to do is just big distraction over here, right? While the squeeze, talking about the squeeze, meanwhile he's over here doing other shit. So nobody's even paying attention what he's doing, and that's a good trick. So, I just wanted to say, oh, be nice. Hey, be nice. Yeah, no. Yeah. No. I know what you're talking about. There's three different things. Spartan, I'm fucking with you, man. I'm fucking with you, bro. I have to. I like you, bro. You've been on the channel for a long time, man. July, yeah, right. So we got 6 months. Yeah, so July. Yeah, we got about 6. It's January. I think it's. When he said a year, he was pushing it a little bit. I have to find the documents, man. It's not exactly a year. It's 2000, but we will be. I can't put that on there. But hopefully, we'll be squeezed by then. I'm almost positive we will be. I can't say 100% because I don't know. Right? We do have a lot of time, but you know that little fuckface. Not you guys, but AA. That's what I heard too, Jan. That's what I heard the first of the year. That's what I heard too. That's why everybody's stressing, right? Because that, I'll say it again, AA the fuckface, just because I don't care for him. I know you guys are, I shouldn't be that mean. He, like I said, I did stick up for him in a way. He's the perfect guy for the job, okay? He's just not somebody you want to be friends with if you're trying to make money. He's not going to let you make money, okay? He'll take it all. Yeah, no, Spartan, it's all good. No. He's, like I said, he'll do good for the company. Just don't think you're going to make money off the guy, right? We're going to have to do all this work ourselves, okay? He's not going to do anything for us, okay? So back to what this all started from was he will dump the day that those shares are allowed to be out. Within a week, he'll dump them. Guaranteed. Okay? And guess who will be getting most of the money? The people in the office. Okay? He has a bunch of favors to pay back. Okay? I know that for a fact. I know how he rolls. He's a pacifier, man. You do this, I'll do this. You do this, I'll do this. Right? Makes deals. Right? So, but what I was saying about was crypto. Okay? So, he brings in Dogecoin. Let's, for instance, I don't know because I don't pay that much attention. You would know that, bro. You pay attention to that stuff, which is good. We need people like that on the channel, right, my friend? It's just that I've been, like, the channel's been down for a week. I've been, like, totally not focusing on this. I do watch if there's a squeeze. There's ways to get a hold of you guys. I would have gone over to somebody else's house, logged on my channel, and started broadcasting, okay? Grabbed my laptop, and I would have been heading down to the internet cafe and just broadcasted right out of the cafe if we were in a squeeze. I would have done something to get a hold of you guys. We need to call in, yeah. So, but back to the crypto thing. That was a good question. Oh yeah, you brought that up there, Spartan. It's not it's Pick on Spartan Day. No, you just brought a good topic up, man. This is a good talk. The crypto, back to what I was saying was, screw popcorn, yeah. He's greasy popcorn. What I was saying is that, I don't know if it's Doge. We'll use that as an example. Okay, Bitcoin. He's offering Bitcoin, okay? No, that won't work that much because Bitcoin's too big and they wouldn't even offer him that. Okay, so say Sheepcoin. Okay? That company is a smaller company, okay? They're big, but they're not compared to Bitcoin. You guys know that. There's common sense, okay? Not that many people really know about the coin compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, people say Bitcoin when they mean crypto, even, for God's sake, right? The older... it might, Jamal. It might. So he definitely gets a kickback or gets free coin, okay, for boasting about that. I know I'm 1,000% on that. 1,000%. He gets some kind of leverage. He would not do that. There's so much coin out there that he could offer, and totally these shit coins or blood coins that are going to be delisted because they don't have enough financial backing or somebody that has a say in it. They would love for him to go on social media and make a blip about it. That would give them enough capital to not be delisted if they're connected to a blockchain, that is, because there's a lot of contributing factors. Ask him, yeah, to do it. Hey, I missed that. Yeah, I know, Ed, I know. If he says, oh yeah. So anyways, Doge and Sheep, okay, it is Sanja, okay. So Doge, okay. So guaranteed that he's getting a kickback of some kind of leverage. Who knows? There's a million things it could be, but he is getting something out of this, okay? It's not necessarily going to make people come to the theaters. Think about it. You're going to cash in your crypto. Okay? Think about this one. You're going to cash in your sheep coin, right? When it's going up so fast, okay, and there's potentially you can make a ton of money on it. Why would you give? That's like giving some BlackBerry away. Oh yeah, we take BlackBerry stock. You want to come watch a movie? Think about it, okay? So there's a spin on that, okay? He's only in things for make money, okay, guys? So there you go. I'll stop. There you guys go. You guys missed me, didn't you? See, there you go, Glock. I wouldn't spend it. See? Neither would 99% of the people in the world. Now we ask. Now we ask. Oh, the mic wasn't working, man. Can you say it all again? Walkie-talkie. Jamal. No, not Jamal. Christopher. Excuse me. Christopher just bought a cool little... Oh, I didn't even ask you first. Christopher, you're still on here. I know you are because you're always listening. You want to tell the chat, the channel, about what you got yourself on the weekend there? I really shouldn't step on my bounds. I don't know if I'm allowed to talk about it because I didn't ask you first, but he's got something pretty cool, man. What's up, Cam? Rico, what's up? Is Bath and Beyond still a play? Yeah, okay. I'm going to have to put the link on there for you, Christopher. You're going to have to send it to my email, bro. It's a mature way of exchanging currency. Oh, no, for sure. You could. Oh, for sure, dude. It definitely opens the door up to a lot of things. I'm just saying that there's a lot of things to it, for sure, right? There's some ways that could be very positive, especially if the economy goes for shit. In the next 10 years, crypto is the play, same as gold. We all know that, right? It's just, we got a taste of it with COVID. COVID, that's nothing, man. That's nothing, okay? Wait until they release the next fucking virus. This one they screwed up on. It didn't kill everybody in the world like they planned. This was just a test. Okay, wait until the next batch of shit that now they can genetically alter it a little bit more so it'll wipe 3/4 of the people out. Kill them all. That's exactly what they're up to, the government. I shouldn't say that on the channel. It's not time right now. Ha. But yeah, I know you can take it a lot of different ways. But yeah, it is what it is. I just wanted to the reason why I went off on that. I know what that means. That's awesome. I know what that means. This winter is going to be a long, cold, dark one. Glock it is, yes. Almanac is, if you guys know anything about that, is usually right about 80% of the time. This is going to be one of the coldest, wet winters in a while. Windy. We're going to fill it up in Canada here. For crypto, when you make money on it quickly. Cam, you are right about the virus. I know. Oh, I shouldn't have said that on the national broadcasting, but whatever. I could get in shit for that, but thanks, Christopher. I know. It is what it is, though. I already know that. It's obvious. That was the test one, okay? And they screwed up. They thought they had it. They have a problem. The 1%ers, not the ones that we're talking about, like the stock market, those ones. There's actual 1%ers. You guys know what the people that run the world, okay? There's there's about 50 of them, and they're the ones that run the world. Okay, there's secret societies and shit. Now you might think, oh, he's fucking lost it, and you know some of them you don't even know of, right? And they need depopulation. They need to take down the world a bit here. We're running out of food. There's problems happening behind the scenes that we don't know about. It's called distraction over here. Remember I told you about that? Let's carbon tax and this carbon problem and footprint and all that bullshit. It's not going to fix the world, even if we stopped 100%. The world's fucked, okay? It's called a distraction. they're working on shit behind the scenes, okay, in the secret society stuff. So there you go. I'm 100% right on this, right? I already know that. There's a couple of things that have come to light. I just really can't talk about it on here. I will get, if I mention it, the channel will get shut down immediately, never be opened again. I know that for a fact. 13 families. Yeah, 50 clock. You know, dude. 13 families. And yeah, there's about 50 some odd percent. There's 50 of them people. And it's a mixture of ladies and women. There's more women in it actually than men, believe it or not. But I can't talk about it anymore. I can't talk about it anymore, guys, because if I mention any more about it, the channel will get taken down. Just who do you think owns YouTube? Okay. Okay. Anyways, enough about that, my friends. I'm gonna go check my mail. My mail. Okay. Let's go check the mail. Okay, just give me a second, my friends. Okay, let's check the mail here. New tab. Let's get a new tab. Raised up for, oh shit. What did I do now? There we go. There we go, brother. Ah. Pretty cool though, dude. Expensive, but excuse me. Oh, why did I do that? Cool though. I'm not it's all good. Copy link. That's what I want to do. Copy it. All good, my friend. It's all good, my friend. Okay, we'll get back on track here. I just got to load this channel. Well, this internet's actually pretty fast. Do. Okay. Give me a second here. I just had to look at something. Okay, where is it? Where is it? My videos. Okay, we got her. We're happening. Just gotta log in here. It takes a minute. Gotta log in. Okay, come on. Oh, that was bright. Nope. Uh-oh, it's gonna echo. Sorry. Okay, come on. Oh, that was bright. Nope. Uh-oh, it's gonna echo. There, it was gonna echo. I just caught that. You're gonna hear some echoing, guys. Sorry about the echoing, guys. You'll hear echoing. Excuse me. That's weird that it did that. Just hang on, I want to check something here. That was weird. Fucking. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Why did it do that? There you go. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna crash and guys, we're gonna have a problem with the bit rate. It just got a warning again. Oh no. Shit. Suggestion. The bit rate is higher than the recommended. Bit rate's higher now? First it was too low. We recommend that you use a stream bit rate of 25 kbps. Fuck. What have I said on like 720? For Facebook. I gotta write this down, guys. What the hell? It's fucking bullshit, man. This fucking I think I pissed YouTube off. I think that's what they're going. I think that somebody at YouTube's screwing around with my fucking channel here, because that's bullshit. 2500 bit rate. I've never heard of it put it that low, and it's saying change it now to that low. Before it was saying put it just too high. I don't know what the hell's going on here, man. Suggestion. Now it just I won't even go there. I won't even go there. Okay, so anyways, enough about that. Check out that link. This is from Christopher, okay? This link here. Click on that link and check that out. Airhand, brother. Back from the holiday. So yeah, Christopher has that link there. Check it out, what he bought. I'll let you check the link out first. Pretty friggin' cool. A little bit, well, it's not that. Depends. Depends on the price. Like, I bought and stuff that price, right? Half the stuff in the room, it's expensive. What? Yeah, what? No. Dude, that's way too much money. Oh my god. I'll send you my address, but holy crap. Oh man, I don't know about that one, man. Oh. These we got with trade in. These were got with trade in devices from Samsung. So 2 for the price of 1. Really? Really? So I could trade my Samsung phone in for 1. I heard that T plus 1 starts today. Is that true? T plus, I don't even know what that is, my friend. Is that American thing? T plus. Is that like the ticker symbol T? Dude, I don't know what you're talking about, my friend. Sorry, Aaron. That's me. That's me being a butthead. Yeah, no kidding. No kidding, Sanjay. Christopher's done so much for this. Well, you guys have all done. Everybody's just coming on here and all the stuff you guys do to support the channel. But Christopher, wow. I'm blown away, man. You know how to treat your friends. I tell you that. Wow. Yes, Christopher, I do too. Like this phone here is a Samsung, right? It's a 750. What it is, it's like an S9, the S9. It's a lower, because I check out the software and stuff like that. I don't need, this thing's 4K camera and all that, or video on it. I don't need some of the stuff on the newer, like the S10. I don't need that. So what you can do is get a lower model without just a couple less things on it that I don't even use, like for some options that I never use, like Office and shit like that I would never use. You're paying $500 more for. So what you do in the future to the lit market. Oh, okay, Aaron. Okay. So what I do is when I get my cell phone plans up here in Canada, and this will work for any of you Canadians. I don't know about the States. It's probably the same thing. That's what you're talking about. I got 21s. Okay. So what I'm saying is like our provider up here, what I do is buy it and then buy an unlocked, like probably what you're talking about, and then I'll take it to the provider, and I don't get a pay as you go through them. Okay, so I can get what I get for two phones, two of these phones hooked up on 5G. I get unlimited calling anywhere in Canada, message states, international, or not international call, but international messaging, all that stuff, unlimited calling, what is it, data, 6 gigs. I know it's not much, but you have to remember, I don't really go anywhere or do anything that I need. That's plenty for me, unless my channel goes down. And that's for 2 phones, okay? not hooked up on a plan, okay? Because I don't have to hook it up on a plan. Or did I? No, it's just open. I pay, including taxes. You have to remember out in Canada it's a little bit different. We get screwed a little bit more because it's 12% taxes, right, on plus on the internet fee, including everything, and then the $5 a month service charge per phone. I pay $83 a month for 2 phones, unlimited, text messaging, calling, long distance, everything included, 6 gigs on each phone. I don't know if that's good for $83 a month, like including taxes, everything, activation fees, everything. So that's what I pay, and that's because I don't buy the phones through the provider. I buy the phone unlocked and take it to them, or not take it to them. I just do it over the phone, get a SIM card and just program it. I think it's like that everywhere. Is that what you're talking about, Christopher? Okay, anyways, I gotta write that bit rate down. Is now it's changing it again, 2,500. You bastards. It keeps on. I'm just watching the screen here because I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, current bit rate stream is 55417. Is it affecting the stream, guys? Is it affecting the stream at all? Because I wouldn't know that unless current bit rate. Yeah. Yes, Shan. Why is it echoing? Z-fold. Oh, it's echoing? Oh, fuck. Really? Oh, no. Oh, it's buffering. Oh, okay. I thought you were echoing. Okay. See, that's that bitrate shit, dude. That's what it was doing before. It went away. So what I'm going to do is, I don't have anything turned on. I never did anything different. We're just going to have to hold it out, guys. We're going to have to hold it out. That's the Z Fold 3 here. Oh, that's what it is, dude. I couldn't tell. It did say that on the title, but I didn't. The picture wasn't closed. Oh, man, that's friggin' dope, dude. See, yeah, in the States, you guys get way better deals. I was just talking about the plan with the phone. Any unlocked phone you can hook. I don't even need to call. I just put my SIM card and it's done. Right? That's all I do. It has to be international unlocked though. And if not, I can do it myself. I just plug it into my computer and just go to the website. I know how to do that. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. I definitely would use a VPN, but I know how to do it. Oh, Tess was asking about. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Thanks, Sanjay. Oh, that's why I meant. That's why Christopher. That's why Christopher talked about that phone that he was talking about, because it has walkie-talkie capabilities on it. Okay, off the network, and you can talk anywhere in the world. That's why we were talking about that, Tess. I wasn't ignoring you, bro, and Sanjay, but thanks, Sanjay. So the walkie-talkie thing. I'll go back to your question here. I want to make. Where is Tess? Oh, wow, he's way back there. Sorry, but he's probably pissed off at me now. Oh, no, he's in the bathroom. He went to the bathroom. He went to drop the kids off at the pool. Yeah, so Sanjay, that's what he's doing, is drop the kids off at the pool. So, but yeah, that's what we were talking about, was the walkie-talkies. That system, we got to pay a monthly thing on it. We could do it. It's kind of a pain in the ass though, man. It's cool if you only have a couple people to do it, like 4 people, but look how many there is of us, right? Just now on the channel there's 34, right? I lost 10 people with my little rant. Every time I go off, we lose people. I think those are the people that aren't. The charts do look good, bro. They're looking good today. I'm satisfied with those little increases, but every time I go on a little rant, I think it's the people that are in the back off, the people that aren't members of the channel, that they leave way up there. I think they're like, holy crow, I don't want to be on. I don't want no part of this shit. It's just I just say it how it is, right? You guys know how I am, right? I just say it how it is, right? Some people just don't like the truth. It's true, right? Truth scares a lot of people in a lot of ways, right? But it is what it is. It is what it is. That's why the regulars, we're a different crowd of people. We're educated in a lot of different ways, like in a lot of different areas, man. I've noticed, like, it's pretty crazy. All together, pretty much unstoppable. Like, we got computer genius Christopher here. We got Sanjay. What is Sanjay? I'm still trying to figure that out. No, I'm just bugging you, Sanjay. I'm just bugging you, brother. No, you're a jack of all trades. And then, I wonder how Citizen's doing. I wonder how he's doing. Yeah, this bitrate isn't getting any better, is it? Is it okay, guys? So anyways, let's jump into here. I just had to ask you guys that because I know there's a bit of a delay. I think there's about a 10-second delay. So that was the hint to look at the charts. So yeah, GME is at 4.93% in the green. It's looking pretty good. 192.56. $36.74, 3.79 AMC. We're getting up there. BlackBerry's holding it. That's pretty good for BlackBerry, man. Usually BlackBerry dips in the afternoon. It's doing pretty good, 3.14. Naked is up quite a bit. I haven't seen it this high in a long time, 6.18. I know that's not crazy, but that's pretty good. I got all these screens in front of me, man. Master of none. That's awesome. I always say that. So the funny thing is I'm throwing another TV up there. I got this, my security system, we had a lightning strike out on the pole in front of my house on a transformer probably about 2 weeks ago, and it shorted. It didn't blow my computer up or anything, but my security system, the main hard drive for it, fried it. So yeah. So anyways, what I'm going to do with it, I think, is put another hard drive in here in the computer and run one of the monitors, but then I got to keep this, I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyways, I got the TV off of it. It's a Samsung 10K TV. It's a computer monitor, and I'm putting it right there so I can watch my security cameras and stuff. In case if we need another TV, right? In case one of you want to stream live, I can set up another camera and we can stream live, and just there's some cool shit we can do with that other one. Yes, Tess. Your walkie-talkie thing. We were just talking about it. Go back up there, look at the link. There's a link there that I posted, but it's from Christopher. He got a cool little device on the weekend. It's one of those Z Flip phones, and it has, is it called Z Flip phone? Make sure I'm saying this right, like a friggin' retard. My throat's really hurting today. Yeah, a Zid. It's Z, Canadian, American, ZZ, whatever you want to go with, man. Fold 3 here. That's what he's talking about. It's a Fold 3. So it's a pretty cool little device. Pretty neat. I checked out some of the particulars on the write-up on it a little bit on the... Check my email. Okay. I will do that. So it's pretty cool, man. Was that price American, Christopher? Because if that's American, that's like $1,100 Canadian, man. I was like, holy crap. Give me a second, guys. And if you guys want to talk about anything besides, I know we're just... Yeah, so about the walkie-talkie there, Tess, is... it's only really good for 3 to 4 people. 2-3 people to talk like constantly, but it's just not adequate. It's a good idea for a couple of people. You can talk around the world like for nothing. It's an awesome idea. It's freaking cool. But I'm just saying for our size of group, it could run into problems, and we already did have problems. Holy crow, that was bright. Oh, wow. Holy crap. Wow. That is a nice display. Holy crow, that's a screenshot? Wow, man. Especially on these monitors. Oh, they're only 10K monitors, but like, wow, that's pretty cool. Huh. 36. That's neat, man. Thanks, Christopher. He just sent me a screenshot. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat stuff, bro. Just give me a second, guys. Oh. Sorry, guys. I know you can hear me clicking away here. Oops. Christopher, check your email, brother. Morse code. Okay, here we go. I'll read some stuff here. Cam, I don't see your email in the description. Oh, no. There's a link, my friend. Never mind, got it. Okay, you understand it. No, he sent me an email. Yeah, it's all good. You got it. Sounds like code communication. No, man, we're not pulling code there. I have all the equipment, but never started. Okay, I want to stream live. Oh, okay, yeah. No. No, we're just telling you to check it out, bro. No, I can't afford that either, man. Not after what had just happened to me with this, just to keep the channel going. Like I said before, if I didn't have all of you guys on here and the support and just the cool friendships. I know we're just talking over the era, and just the rapport and just like the video chats I do with you guys, just the whole everybody has something to offer, right? For the support of me. I would have shut the channel down. Okay, I would have shut it down because it wouldn't have been worth it to me, right? To go through like you don't even understand. Format my computer twice. I had to reboot it off of this fucking thing. Oh man, it took like 4 hours every time, because it's only a 2.0 flash drive. It's not the thing is 3.0, but yeah, and as you know, that's, if you know anything about computers, that's way slower. But Cam, you considered Zello work. It might do the app Zello. I did look at that one. I did look at it, Christopher, but it's been so long, bro. You do have to pay for it. I know that. It's not that much, but I don't know who wants to. I think it's only $5-6 a month, and you can discontinue it anytime you want. It's up to you guys if you want to do it. The problem is if we're on the channel live, I got to mute it when I talk to you guys on that thing. It's up to you. Cam, I mailed you, bro. Okay. We're all under code, everybody. And we don't have anything going on here, guys. I know some of you don't even email me ever, and you're probably like, what the fuck is going on here? Are they talking in code? No, we're not talking in code. Is he telling him to, are they telling each other to buy stocks without mentioning it? Are they telling him to sell? Are they up to something? Does he know when the squeeze is going to happen? No, Manjeet, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just bugging you, Manjeet. But no, I'm not talking in code. Because Manjeet's like, they're talking in code. He knows. No, I don't know. I would tell you guys. I would. Seriously, I would tell you guys right away. And I got to bug Manjeet because she's pretty quiet. I know she's on there. She's always hanging out. So anyways, I'll check that, brother. And guys, is there any questions you want? It's been a week since we talked. Is there anything that you want to know or anything you want to talk about? Fire away some questions, my friend. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Hi, Noel. No hell. Oh, okay. It's 1, 2. Yeah, for sure, dude. Yeah. Thank you, Tess. Thank you, bro. I will keep that. I have a question for you, because I never asked you, what country do you live in, my friend? Just because I need to know where I can talk to. If it helps to squeeze, no kidding. I don't mind paying that. That's up to you guys what you want to do, right? I will support any way I can. If you guys need that to communicate in, I would do that for you guys, right? You guys know that. Oh, trade in. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, guys. Fuck. I'd love to have that phone. That's nice, bro. That's friggin' nice. It's not offered to Canadians. Of course it's not. Fuck. Yeah, man. You guys got... I'm setting up a network now. Are you? Good, bro. Okay, Tennessee. Oh, okay, well then, yeah, man, we can, yeah, for sure, bro, for sure, Tess, yeah. That's pretty crowded. So yeah, guys, AMC earnings Monday, November 8th. Just got the email. Did you? Splendid. How you doing, bro? How you doing, my friend? That's why it has... you weren't on here and just well, you didn't talk till now. I knew there's a couple of you that aren't here. You, and then there's Citizen's not here. Oh, thanks, brother. I missed you too. New MT. Okay, I'll look it up. I will look it up. It's already 8:10 in the morning, eh? That's crazy. Okay, yeah, that's right. I was gonna do. I got so many things going on my mind here. I just want to make sure that I messaged you all back because I don't want to be rude. Cap, that's who else wasn't he? Cap, how you doing, bro? I knew there's a couple of you that I didn't. I'll check it. I just did, bro. I'll check it again. I'm gonna put that ticker symbol in here. Just give me 1 second, Christopher. So I don't want to be rude to Mr. Sanjay here. He gets really pissed off, you know. Oh, I don't want him to freak out and reach through the camera at me. Okay. What's the... Whoa, what happened here? Oh, we're starting to build a list again. Their dividend 13.71%. Are you fucking kidding me? Pardon my language, but holy shit. This stock went from $16 up to $38. What is this? Bus services? New tech. Is this out of the UK, bro? Sounds like a UK thing. Is it? We are going to start going. I hope so, bro. Good. Between today and tomorrow. I hope so, bro. And I'm just looking at this chart here that Mr. Sanjay sent us here, 13.71%. Usually, I don't know anything about this, but I'm just going to tell you, I'm not judging this stock, but usually that's a red flag. I'm not saying this, but just so you guys know, when you come across something like this, you got to do, which Sanjay's obviously done, you got to do DD on this. This is a red flag. 90% of the time, the company's going to be hitting bankruptcy protection or already in bankruptcy protection. This means they're doing the last slam before they pull out, okay? I'm not saying this company. I'm just saying that that's when you see a percentage this high on a dividend yield royalty. It's US. Okay, Sanjay. I just wanted, I know that's probably not the scenario, but I'm just telling you guys, when you do come across this stuff, do look into it really good. Look for lawsuit, look for all that shit. Okay? I'm not saying that, anything about this. I'm just saying that that's the first thing the feeling I get on anything like this. Okay? I'm not saying it is, but I'm just saying. Low volume every day, which doesn't mean anything. I want to check how old this company is. It's $38. It's been cranking around $38 for a while. Let's go back weeks here. A lot of red though. It looks like it gets ladder attacked a lot, guys. Yeah, it looks like it got oh fuck. Went up to $50. Yeah, it looks like it. This reminds me of AMC, man. Shit, it goes up and then cranks down. Goes up, down, up, down. It seems to always... Okay, so it's 2000... Holy fuck, it's old, man. That's old. 1992. So that's why it's getting ladder attacked. Being shorted, it's being shorted to shit because it's an older company. It's had time to progress into the bad behaviors. But that company's been around for a while. So that's good in a way, right? So I'm just going to put this back. Let's get right back here, my friends. You guys can do this with every stock that you're going to, before you buy into with dividend royalties here. You should check out all the stocks, guys. Okay? Don't just leave this to me, like if you want to buy stuff, that stuff. I'm just showing, I'm always very transparent on what I do. I do this with all stocks, okay? So the reason why you're seeing this sporadic stuff like that is because of low volume. That's what it's from, okay, for you new traders. So usually I'll bump it to a 5, and usually it corrects it, but not always. Definitely the 30 minutes should correct it. Okay, so definitely there's hedges involved in this stock. You can just tell by the way the actions are. It goes up, it gets shorted. It goes up, it gets shorted. So it is what it is, right? It doesn't. I'm not saying that's a bad thing to stay out of it, right? It's just that's life nowadays, right? But that's a nice dividend royalty. Holy fuck, that's like if you put $100,000 in there, that'll be $1,300 a month. Wow, that's crazy. That's nuts. That's nuts. Okay. Yes, I'll do that now, Christopher. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to cover one thing. I get going too many places here. I'm just too happy today. I'm so happy to be back, man. Oh, I did check the... That was a while ago. Check your email. I think I already did check it. I did check it. You haven't sent... That's the old... Yeah, that's the same message, my friend. Okay, that is the same mail. Okay, I was way ahead of you, bro. Michael, what's up, man? Hey, buddy, how you doing? How you doing? Excuse me. So, hey, Cap, I do have a question for you. I keep on looking back at the screen. I got too many monitors going on here, man. I'm going to snap my neck off. I'm looking at myself. Oh, yeah, I'm just like, holy shit. Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm looking at myself because it's behind. That looks hilarious. Because it's buffering, too, so it makes it, my head goes twice as fast back and forth. But what I was saying, Cap, how's your channel coming along, my friend? I almost had a bunch of gear for sale for you cheap. But I was just wondering how it was coming. I was thinking about you the other day, bro. Are you still doing it or what? Because it's more work than I ever thought it was. Like when things go, yeah. It just I just really want you to think about that before you put in a whole bunch of time and money, man. It's just a lot of work, bro. What was I doing here? Shit. Oh, yeah, I know what I was doing now. Missed your live chat, Cam. Yeah, dude, I missed you guys so much. Cap, you don't even know, dude. You don't even know. Like, I don't like supporting Amazon. Like, I don't care for the place, for the whole around the business, how they treat their employees, the whole thing shit. Okay, and you guys all agree to it, but they got the market covered, right? Especially being up in Canada and on the outskirts of town. But for me to drive, they can get things to my house in 2 days, like anything pretty much. And the price difference, holy crap. And just if things mess up, the warranty, just the whole thing is, I have no choice, right? And I think that 50% of the people are like that now, right? With that. And I just wanted to say, yeah. So, dude, I know how it is, man. It's expensive, dude. And you don't want to cheap out on too cheap of stuff, right? Like my camera is a 4K camera, but it doesn't have as many features. They're all blocked off. Like, it's a pain I can't fine tune or adjust. Like, you guys see how hard it is for me to adjust. It doesn't adjust correctly to my LEDs. It does weird, like, stuff like this. You got to spend $300-400 on a camera just to get that. I could use my cell phone as a virtual camera. I can use that, but it's just a pain in the ass, ridiculous, man. That's right. Hey, Cap, they're having the same problems up here, bro. They're putting the third shot out now, and yeah, there's people not wanting. There's people quitting work because yet now you have to have an app on your phone. I could show you it. I have an app on mine. Yeah, 1080. That's minimal what I go, dude. That 1080p. That's what we're on right now, and I'm having bitrate problems. I'm with it. But 4K, it's hard to do through YouTube. It really doesn't support it. It does, but it doesn't. You're gonna have problems if you go 4K. Trust me. I was doing 4K, and I had to bump it down to 1080. Just you can't do any subtitles. There's so much negative stuff. You're gonna get buffering. It doesn't matter how good of a connection you have. It doesn't matter how good of a camera. They don't want you to use 4K YouTube. They're really against it. They have shitty software that you have to use it. You have to broadcast it, send it out, render it, broadcast it back to YouTube to be able to use it. You can't use their shit in YouTube to do it. It's all junk, right? But the reason why is because they don't want you to put it in 4K. They're trying to deter it, and I know that without saying it, is because it fills up too much of their cloud space, right? 4 times as much data in 4K content as 1080, okay? And even if they compress it, it's still huge. I know that for a fact, because by the time a movie 4K takes 2 days to render into so you guys can watch it in 4K. It only takes a couple hours for me to do 1080. That means so you guys can see it in 1080. Like when it's broadcasting live, you can see it, but in 1080. But if you or 4K if I'm recording it or broadcasting in 4K. But for you to watch 10 minutes or like right after I'm done airing and go back and watch it or watch it behind me, like so you're not watching it live, like you're just behind us, you're only going to get it in SD right away. And then probably about a half an hour after or 20 minutes after, you're going to get it in HD, but it'll only be in like 720. And it'll be like that for like hours. And then it'll switch into the, yeah, you guys understand it. Excuse me. Yeah, it's pretty hurting, man. Okay. So, anyways, thanks, Sanjay. Thanks, brother. Thank you, brother. Oh, I was hoping it was going to be 5%. I was hoping it was. Legacy. Huge difference. I go on to low legacy or the second one down. If you put it on ultra low, it doesn't it's not 4K compatible. And you can't get subtitles. I don't do subtitles. Sometimes I do. I try to because I want to be fair to everybody, right? And a lot of people sometimes listen from work. Oh, wow, that's weird, Tess. I know, isn't it weird, this stuff, how fast you can get stuff? And there's such a variety of stuff to pick out, too. It's not just like when you go to a department store, it's one thing. It's crazy. It's friggin' crazy. I know, guys. I know you feel the same way about it as me. Like, it just, like these LED lights, I got like 50 feet of LED lights all wrapped around this computer thing on all over the place. In the store, $100. On Amazon, delivered, $25 with a remote that's Bluetooth compatible with HUE and it is. Yeah, I know about Mumu. Yeah, I've heard of it before, my friend. Oh, sorry, guy. What did I was sorry. I thought I clicked it on there. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, it's all right. But you got to remember though, it's hard for if you're because it's not here in Canada, right? I can get it, but I can't open an account through it. So half the features I can't get. Okay, Webull is the only one that if you don't have I have an account set up, but I don't actually have an account set up, so they'll let you use almost all the features on it. Okay, that's the difference. Yeah, Cap. So, is it sweet, Christopher? Okay, good. I knew you were working on something. Thinking about signing up myself. Sorry, Joshua. We have so many things going on here. Shamran, what's up, brother? That's true. They do. Yeah, you can be an affiliate. It's called the affiliate program. Shamran, I know exactly what you're talking about. I was actually people buy off ABBA out of China and do the same thing. I was actually looking into that. I know a lot about that. I feel driving. That's funny, Daz or Sanjay. But no, I know what you're talking about. It's there's major money and all that stuff. And yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy it is nuts what's going on. They've got everything covered through Amazon, man. It's nuts. They got, as you can get free cloud for your photos when you're an Amazon Prime member. You get friggin' movie. Yeah. Alberate? Arborage. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You know what I'm talking about, Cap. You know what I'm talking about. I was gonna do it. I have the accounts all set up and everything, and then after 2 months it closes. Right. I didn't do it. I was just trying to think of something to do on the side, right? And then I did the YouTube thing, and then I realized they brought all the taxes in. There never used to be taxes on YouTube. When you got paid, you just got paid. That's it. You didn't have to pay anything on it, right? But about 5 months, 6 months ago, 7 months ago, no, probably a lot, but 8 or 9 months ago, when on those streaming like Netflix, Amazon Prime. Now you have to pay a tax on that when you get the service. Remember, there was no tax. When they did that, it affected YouTube too. There's no money in YouTube, man, to make videos unless you have over like 20,000 subs or more, and you have at least people watching your channel a day. You probably at least 10,000 hits on your channel on each broadcast, and maybe 50,000 on a video that you make. Citizen, there you are, bro. Okay, I need to thanks, man. Thanks. And I know you were not feeling well, so we kind of miscoincided, but I'll finish up the story here. So yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I was just reading your comments here. So yeah, crazy stuff, eh? I pulled a Lou. I diverted right off the conversation, forgot what I was talking about. Fuck. I pulled a Lewis. A Lou. I pulled a Lou on us. When I didn't look over to the... yeah, I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, anyways, guys, so... It is what it is, eh? I was talking about you. That's awesome. I was just talking about you, bro. Oh, I know what it was about Susan. It had, oh, dude, that's shitty. That's shitty, man. Hey, I was just talking to a family member that had COVID. They had it. The whole family got it. Like, it was because we went to Halloween thing last night, right? And they don't, the whole side of the family doesn't believe in, they don't get shots, right? But a portion of the other side of the family got COVID. They quarantined and all that. A couple actually sections of the family on different sides. They still don't have taste. Everybody I've talked to that's gotten COVID, they don't have taste still to this day. So that's one of the symptoms, right? If you don't have taste. And some people are saying that like have it COVID at the beginning of when it first came in, they still don't have taste. Anyways, make up for the last 2 days. Yeah, no doubt. 2 days? It was longer than 2 days. We were down for a week, bro. Was it a week? Yeah, it was almost a week. But yeah, I missed you guys. You can tell, eh? You could tell. Yeah, I was feeling very dry out. Yeah, dehydrated and stuff. Yeah, man, that's shitty. But I'm glad you're feeling better, bro. I'm glad you're feeling better, man. But yeah, they like I said, the whole section of that family does not believe in it. They will not get it. Actually, a bunch of them got laid off 2 days ago from their job, government jobs. And you can't collect unemployment insurance if you don't get the COVID shot, if that's why you're laid off. Did you get a setup email? I'll check right now. Oh, from you? No. A setup email. Okay. That's awesome. You've been gone for 2 days, Cam? No, I was gone for a week, dude. The channel went down. Well, literally. I think between YouTube and YouTube still screwing me. I swear there's YouTube fucking around with this shit, man. Oh, buddy, I've had problems with internet. That's what started all this buffering. It's starting to do it again, and then I went and got a new router. Had the internet provider come to my house. I couldn't do anything, dude. I couldn't do anything off my internet. It was shut right down. So yeah, that's the gist of it, my friend. So I couldn't broadcast. We tried that one day, and I had to erase the video. So anyways, back and running now, but I had to format my computer. At once I formatted it, and then the screen came up in a black theme, and I couldn't see to fucking change anything, so I had to format it again. Yeah, you guys, that's cool if you can hold your shit down, man, without getting vaccinated, but like up here, it's in Canada, it's screwed up. You can't go into restaurants, you can't go shopping in some places, you can't go into restaurants. You have to have an app on your phone now. I can tell you that the passer resets have gone up since. Yeah, no shit, eh? That's funny, Christopher. It's true. That's pawn. That's funny. That's funny. Oh, the golden cold turkey. Oh, thanks, brother. Thanks. I know of literally Liberty or the. Oh, that yeah, no doubt, eh? We're back up and running though, but yeah, man, it's been a nightmare with this thing, yeah, and that's why I said, like, if it wasn't for you guys, I didn't have a problem terminating the channel at all. It was gonna go, yeah, but it wasn't even my thought. But if it was nothing like you guys coming on here and talking and the friendship, it would have been done. Trust me, it was enough stress there. But yeah, back to what I was saying about the YouTube thing. There's no money in it now, man, unless you have a big channel. But yeah, so that's why I thought of other things to make money, right? Just sitting around doing nothing, right? But yeah, it's so yeah, Canada's messed here, guys. Messed. So people are like, if you don't get vaccinated now, you cannot go to work. There's a line that they call it, it's a rat line, and the fucking government contact you to say if you go to work, you're going to be charged, and if somebody dies from it and you have potentially COVID, you're charged with involuntary manslaughter, man. It's fucked up. And it's gotten bad, man. Restaurants, like I said, you can't go in them. You can't go in them. To casinos, nothing. You cannot go into liquor stores. You can't go in any government anywhere. It's messed right up. So the thing is now they go on a third one. Aw, thanks, Tess. Oh, you're awesome. So it is what it is here. But like I said, the one part of the family, they got like some good jobs and shit, man. Government jobs with pensions and shit. They walked off their jobs 2 days ago. And then I'm like, well, I just asked them last night because I'm very uneducated in this stuff. I just hang out with you guys all the time, right? What the thing is their pension and everything, they can't draw on any of it. There's an exemption in that because it's called the Chemical Warfare Act. Okay, you are participating in a terrorism kind of an act by not doing this. This is what they're trying to fucking put out there, right? That you're part of this fucking problem, that you're a group of a fucking organization that is classed as terrorists that are terrorizing the country and trying to promote this type of virus. Oh, it's bullshit. So anyways, yeah. Oh, it is communism here, man. Oh, fuck yeah, we're communists. Oh, fuck yeah. Not, trust me, I'm unlocking Glock's getting pissed here. It's all good, buddy. It is bullshit. It is communist, yes, and it's fucked up, man. Pardon me, sorry for swearing, guys, but this deserves it. I know we're watching the stock thing, but I know we haven't talked to each other in a while. But so yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say that I just wanted to say those family members. I asked them last night. I was like, oh yeah, well, because I said he goes, I said, are you retired? And he goes, yeah. I go, well, what do you mean? Like retired, like me? But I'm actually itching to get back to work here, right? But I don't know what's going to happen. It didn't look like I'm doing anything now, man. I think that COVID's kind of locked things down a little bit more here. So who knows? I'll be hanging up. Well, it is what it is. So anyways, unemployment insurance. I don't know if they have that in the States, what it's called something different, but if you're out of work and you put a certain amount of hours in, you can collect unemployment insurance. So if you're out of work, you get laid off or something, unless you quit, you can't get it if you quit. There's exemptions, right? But if you're laid off of work, you get up to a year, 55% of your wage, they pay you, right? And the thing is they can't get unemployment insurance or social assistance, welfare. You can't get it because you own a house, or you can't get it because you own a car over $5,000. You can't get welfare. That's I don't know if you guys call it that. It's low income assistance, I guess. The whole thing's fucked. So they're pretty much people that are working, normal class working people 1 year ago that were up in the upper class, high class, middle class, medium class are now fucking treated like peasant pieces of shit, okay? That are leeches of society. Those were fucking decent people, man. And now the government just treats them like crap, like they're nothing, right? They're like fucking some scum addict, drug fucking addict, which I don't look at drug addicts like that. It's a disease. I'm very remorseful on that stuff, but that's how a lot of society looks at people like that. I look at everybody the same, and I think you guys know that, but yes, they should. Damn rights, Chris. Yes, they should. Damn rights. Yeah, they will. They will come and take money. Yeah. With taxes, fucking rights, they will. They'll come and, yeah, they will. The taxes in Canada, I don't know about the States, but the taxes was from a World War II. It was a temporary tax that was only supposed to last a year. It was a hardship tax, and it was to pay for it was to feed the war. And it was supposed to be done. And it never ended. And it's still here to this day. I know there's a lot going on. Anyways, I know we're diverting off here, guys. Sorry about all the, I don't know, you guys don't care, the regulars, but anybody from the back office passing through on the channel, it's usually not like this. Nah, it's all good. There you go, bro. There you go. Just go. Pull your connections, man. If you can do it, you can do it. I don't know if you guys want me cruising around hey, I jumped my truck, my RV, my travel trailer, my 27-foot Jayco travel trailer. I'd cruise all over the state. I'd come and see all. You have a mobile fucking studio, man. I'd throw all this shit right in the back room. We could just cruise around. It would be awesome. I would do it, man. I would do it. I'd come see all of you, man. Right? I would do it. But that will never happen, man. But yeah, guys, just be grateful you're not a friggin' well, I wouldn't say grateful you're not to be a Canadian, because it's actually pretty nice to be a Canadian besides all this bullshit. But this really makes me to say I'm a Canadian really I just want to make sure I word this correct. I'm not proud to be a Canadian anymore. Okay, put it that way. I think I'm speaking for a lot of people. I'm definitely speaking for myself. I'm not proud to say the word Canadian behind, and you should be proud. And I feel bad for all the people that died in war for this country. And I'm not just talking about my country because that's where I'm from. I can't speak for anywhere else. But I'm ashamed to say I'm Canadian. And we're respected around the world as some of the nicest people. Same with America. You know how it is, right? And it's shit, man. And to say I'm Canadian, like, you look like a fucking retard now because of all the shit the government's done. So I'm going to leave it at that. What country would I move to? Mexico. No. I really like Mexico. They're the only ones that'll take me. I'm such a badass. But no, I would love to move to Mexico, man. I know they have worse problems than we do here. But I feel at home when I'm in Mexico. I do. I seriously do. So yeah, guys, it is what it is. Like, I don't even know. Sorry about that rant, my fellow Canadians, but I'm just speaking for myself. Just the government, or I won't even talk about it on the channel too much. I'll get myself into shit. But yeah, it is what it is. Trust me, I'm really worried about going in other countries when I'm in Mexico, saying where are you from? I might not be saying Canada. I probably won't, because I'm pretty yeah, Tess, you have a good one. Peace, brother. I'm not proud to say I'm Canadian. That's what I was gonna say. Not after this bullshit that they're doing to us, man. People don't treat people like that. What they're doing to us, man, with this virus. Like, it's not our fault. It's nobody's fault. You should have fucking some humanity, man, and fucking feel for other people that have died. Like, it's so disrespectful to the people that have actually died from this disease, this virus. It's not right. Like, how disrespectful can you be? Too many lefties. Yeah, that's true. Anyways, I won't rant anymore about this. Okay, guys, you got me all emotional. No, I just get, yeah, it is what it is, right? I got tough skin, and it gets through it sometimes, right? It is, but it's cool how we all can talk, and we're all from different parts of the world, different lives, right? And we come together on the channel, and we're just one, right? We just look at everybody the same. I do, anyways. I'm speaking for myself. I can't speak for everybody else, but I treat every one of you the same, right? Even though some of you talk on chat to me, some of you guys message me, and some of you don't. But I always throw every one of you the same respect, right? I try to, and I know I do, right? So, but that's the thing about that, right? because nobody's better than anybody else. I don't care where you come from or who you know or anything like that. We're all the same. We got into this screwed up stock market. We're all screwed now. We've screwed ourselves. All of us did. We're all in the same category. What the fuck did we get ourselves into? To the World Fair in Vancouver in the 80s. Canada is awesome. Oh, right on, Cap. Dude, it is. I know. I'm just saying that, speaking for myself. I'm just, yeah. I can't say that much about our government and stuff because of I'm broadcasting, right? It can be taken the wrong way, and it is what it is. I don't want to jeopardize everything that we have here. Dude, you dropped 20K. You put about the same as me, Pawn, on it, right? Because you have to remember my dollar's worth 30% less than your guys's. I know, Jerry. I know. That's what they're putting here. Yeah. I wish we had a Trump up here too, man. Yep. I liked how he'd stand up to other people that are into assassinations of people and stuff like that in other countries. I'm not going to speak which countries, but you guys can take it with a grain of salt. Into chemical warfare, into nuclear energy, and just fucking goof ass shit, right? I liked him, right? He wasn't afraid to take anybody, and look, and he's older too. I know he had his downfalls, but whatever. It is what it is. No, I didn't. Right on, Glock. Right on. I wish there's more people like. Well, there's a lot of people like you, Glock. Nobody will say that anymore, man. Back in the 60s, 70s, it was all like that. You could say that. Now, if you started doing that down the road with a group of people, you'd all be put in jail and possibly beat up and killed on the streets by the police. They'll start getting smacked by batons. Potentially one of those blows in the head could kill you. And then you'll get attacked more. All the people around you will get attacked more. And then they'll get blamed for killing you, not the police. The group that organized this. Because if this organization wasn't there, the police wouldn't have had to come there and hit you with the baton and end up potentially killing you. Do you know what I'm saying? They spin it. I know. What's that red candle? I know. I was just looking at that. We got a half a pullback on it, though. Yeah. We got a pretty hardcore group of people here. Oh, look at that pullback. It pulled back right back to nothing. Which is green one's going to shoot right up there. That was a good pullback. I love it when it kind of pulls right back to nothing. When it's the right color. No bad ANC. You guys are awesome. Excuse me. People went to lunch. Yeah, no doubt. The veggies went to lunch. They brain lapsed. But anyways, guys, I'm going to stay on for another 10 minutes, my friends. And then I'm going to tell you about the story that never ends. Okay? I got to get this bitrate shit straightened out for tomorrow. I still got a lot of work. When I end the stream, I got another hour and a half before I can get ready for the next day. I got to make thumbnails. I got to post the software for the link. I got to build all the write-ups on the description. I got to put all that in there. I got to put all my what are they called? Tabs in there, and then I got to put I forget what they're called. The keywords that hits on the channel when somebody types it in, it brings it to our channel. Forget what it is. Keywords. I got to put 490 keywords into our description. It's a lot of work. and then I gotta post it, then I gotta check the link, back check it, everything, and then I gotta check the camera, make sure everything's set up. Tags. Thank you, Christopher. Fuck, you always save my ass, man. You always save my. That's tags. It's just I got a lot on my mind. I can't think of it. But yeah, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work because I don't just use YouTube. I use Streamlabs too, right? Which is better. Yeah, that's mega. I do have a I can import it. I usually import it from a list on my computer, but my computer got formatted, so I gotta actually put them all in once, and then I can copy it and. But yeah, usually you can't do 490. You only can put 3 or 4 in. But I'm a member of what's it called? TubeBuddy. Yeah, TubeBuddy, which helps you out a bit. Wow, Citizen, that's crazy. But yeah, guys, if we ever get a chance to go to Mexico, man, even if only like 10 and 20 people show up out of the 3,000, well, we gotta look what we're getting up there. Subs are just climbing up every day on the channel, which is awesome, right? Yeah. When it hits 10,000, I'll be shutting the door though. I'll be locking the channel down because we won't be able to talk like this, right? It'll be too much. But that day will come probably in, I don't know when. It doesn't matter. It's all good. But yeah, what I wanted to say was I'm just looking at Naked's up 7.7%. I wonder what's so special about GameStop's at 6.50, guys. Everything's Vision Lithium is up 12.90%. What the fuck? Why is lithium going through the roof right now? Oh, Dogecoin's back down to nothing again. Back down to 26 cents. That didn't take long to get way back down there again. Fuck, eh? See, when it hits 30, you cash in. That's the only... I've watched that coin for a long time. It's caught in a channel. So... So I'm just saying, like, when it hits from... It'll go back down to 24, 22, and then it'll go back up to 30. Hit 30 for a day or two, and then it'll go back down. So what you got to do is just sell out, buy back in. Sell out, buy back in. And if you've got enough money there, you can make some fucking good money on that. In Maine, did they? Is that what it is, JP? Yeah, because they got lithium up in, like I said, I own a lot of this Visions lithium out of Quebec, Canada, and they're 99.9% pure. It's some of the purest in the world. And that's the only reason I bought it. But yeah, lithium, they're a lot of... they're using some other stuff besides lithium, though. They're coming across right now. Yeah, no. I think you're right. I did hear something on that. But with the Mexico thing, yeah, guys. Like, even if we're like 10 of us, even showed 20 of us, it doesn't even matter, man. But it'll be cool to actually get away and just go meet and talk and just go hang out, man. Have some good food, man. Caribbean lobster, if you guys like that. Some freaking steak up. Bam! Some a la carte meals. Yeah. Tesla's still going? I wanted to check that out because that's Manjit's favorite. That's Manjit. Tesla's like one of the most shorted stocks in the world, right? Holy fuck! Tesla's up $1,100. It was only at 700. Holy shit! Holy fuck! I didn't know that. Guys. It was at $790 when $800. It's wow. Why is it going up so much? You know that this is a controlled stock. You know that, right? Most people know that. It's controlled by the hedge funds. And you know that, right? This is what they want to do with AMC. It was pushed down, okay? I know that for... Holy shit. Oh, okay, that's why. It's their yeah, it is. This is the hedgies. This is the most shorted stock in the world. It's been it's owned by pretty much every hedge fund, every hedge fund hedgie, like hedge fund, and then the hedgies that work own at least 1,000 shares of this. So everyone's shorted it. You have to think about it's a probably 100,000 times more shorted than AMC. So Manjeet will be pissed she sold. I can't talk about what she owns. That's up to her. But like, fuck, fuck. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that this is a controlled. Okay, Tesla was a controlled squeeze. It did squeeze. Okay, they did short stayed cover all the way up, but it was controlled and compressed. So they made fucking huge money. It wasn't for the retail investor squeeze. Okay, guys? It wasn't like that. This is what they want to do to AMC. Okay, guys? It's a controlled squeeze. And that's what they were trying to do with AMC. They won't be able to do it. Trust me, guys. They won't be able to do it. But that's what they're trying to do. That's what this is, a controlled squeeze. That's the difference, okay? Managed and controlled are two different things, okay? Totally different. Just so you guys are aware of that. Oh yeah. Oh, Spartan, easy. You did. You just, well, if you put this at 10 times this would be 10 grand, right? Oh yeah, well that's the thing. Like Tesla has a whole bunch of. I know what you're saying. Yeah, I'm just talking about. If you guys only knew about how many shares that she owned, I can't really talk about it. Yeah, that's up to her. I'm just saying, right? That's up to her. She can just. Why do you think she asks about it every day, right? But yeah, she's probably on the channel listening. But yeah, Spartan, and they won't be able to control it when it goes. AMC, they'll be able to compress it a bit. It's just so. It's like, look at the shares. Yeah, there's more shares in Tesla. They got more put out though, too. But there's a lot of synthetics in Tesla too. Tons. $100,000 EVs. Oh, yeah, that's crazy, man. I'm sorry, I can't get over that. That's fucking beautiful, beautiful. There's a lot of people. I'd say about 90% of the shares that were in Tesla have been sold for AMC and other stocks, meme stocks. Just so you guys know that it's been bought over 10 times. Okay, in the last fucking 9 months. I know that for a fact. Everybody that I talk to. Including yourselves, and you could speak for them too, used to own Tesla and you sold. Oh fuck yes, Tesla still being shorted? Oh yeah. This is a hedge fund movement. Oh yeah. This thing would be probably in about $30,000-$40,000 right now if they weren't shorting it and if they weren't compressing it. They're slowly letting it go because they make more money. They short it, sell, short, sell. Trust me, they know what they're doing. Yeah, this is what we don't want to happen. It won't happen to AMC. Trust me, it won't. It can't. It can't happen. It just won't. There's not enough. Look how many Teslas there is. Look how many theaters there is. There's no comparison. Okay, let me explain this. I'll explain this a little bit to you guys, just so you understand. AMC is paper screens or whatever. It's a screen and seats and some air vac systems to keep the air purified. Okay, some popcorn machines and the video don't even need the video games in there, man. They're all leased. People bring them in. They don't own the building. They only own like I think 5% of the buildings. Like nothing. It's all leased. Okay, they're not. AMC's not worth anything. It's worth nothing. Okay, it's worth what the people say it is. Okay, it's a place to watch movies. They don't even own the movies. The movies are bought, rented, paid for, and leased, and then royalties are paid to the people and the movie stars and all that. And you know how it works, right? The thing with Tesla is SpaceX. There's a whole bunch of shit tied to it. They have Starlink. That isn't Tesla, but the owner. The owner is looked up to. He's like a fucking genius, okay, to a lot of people, right? Look at when he speaks about Dogecoin in like 2 sentences. Look how much it goes up. Like, it's like the power, right? He's changed the world. This is the first shit. You know how it is, right? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And they have like buildings that they own. They own every Tesla car. You don't own it. They own it. Okay. If you really know about Tesla, you know that. Okay. They can shut the car off and it'll never start again. Okay. They can control that fucking car right to anything that on it. Okay. You really don't own that car. The company owns that car. In fine print, they own everything on the car. They own the software. They own everything on that car. You do not own. You have the privilege of buying it to drive it for them. Okay? And if you never knew that, look it up. Okay? Everything on that fucking car is patented to the max. You have the right to drive it and use it and all that, but they own the car. You never own that car. Okay? If you, like, even though the bank and you paid off, you actually physically bought the car, you don't own that car. Okay? You can't take the computer software out of it and use it on something else. It's copyrighted. It's all copyrighted, right? You can, after you're done with it, and take an auto wreck and destroy it. I'm just saying that, but the actual rights to that car, everything about that frigging car is owned by Tesla. Okay? It is the most copyrighted company in the world and protected. Muskrat. That's Oscar the Muskrat. I know, Ed. I know. Bigos, what's up? I know. I was looking at GME. It's going up pretty good, man. Naked's up now 7.2. Fuck. Microvision's up 11, almost 12%. Holy shit. Oh, BB's. Where's Mr. L? BB's up 4.11%. I want to see. Oh, I know what to do. It went back down a bit. Shit. Sheet coin went up 71 cents. Shit, it isn't going up that much. Damn. Oh, I'm back on Tesla. I didn't do that purposely. I was going on AMC. Whoops. Damn it. I got too many things going on here, guys. Okay. Oops. Come on. There we go. Where was it? That lithium? Where the fuck is it? 10%. I still got a ways to go. Yeah, there's lots of green in the market today for sure, man. For sure. All over the place. Oh, fuck. I know, Sam. I know. And just so you know, that's why, have you ever watched Elton talk about hedge funds and shorting stocks? Do you see his face change color? He fucking hates hedge funds. They've almost killed his company a couple times. They've tried shorting it so bad to kill it. Okay? He hates them. There's documentaries on YouTube. Just Google it. Watch them, man. Watch them. Watch. It's crazy shit that they've done to him. And they've tried they've tried screwing him so many times. that's his thing. That's why he's actually pretty good at what he does. He had them fighting against pushing his company and depressing it the whole time, and he still pounded through the crap, okay, and rose to the top. So, yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. That's why he goes off on those fucking tangents about hedge funds and stuff, but because they're holding up, he makes a lot of money on his stock squeezing. Like the way it's going right now, he makes tons of money on this shit, but he found a way around it to make the money. He would make quadruple the money if it wasn't for the hedge funds getting in there. They're reaping his money, okay? But he's still making money, trust me. But they're pulling it out of him, okay? That's all I'm trying to say. Christopher, I just got your mail. Oh, there you go, the link. Okay, guys, I'm off here. I gotta go eat something. I gotta go have some breakfast. I gotta get some breakfast. Okay, guys, and I gotta fix this friggin' bet rate stuff. Isn't that how he got the company, the other CEO wanted out from the... Yep, he did. Yes, he did. Yeah, he did, bro. Because he didn't actually make the company. You know that. You guys know the history on Tesla, right? The true history, not his take. Actually, he did not make anything to do with it. SpaceX, yes, that was his baby. Tesla wasn't his baby. It was his funding to get SpaceX and his satellite project. Okay, Starlink. Okay, those are his. And then he has a drill that he owns too that drills under things and puts roads under lakes and rivers and all that kind of stuff. Those are his babies. His big hydrogrid batteries that power like fucking cities. That is Elton's to a T. That's what makes his clock tick. Fucking Tesla is just a money cow that makes him to be able to have fun. Okay? Not muskrat. I was making a joke, man. I was calling him a muskrat. I was trying to. You just caught that? That was a long time ago. But yeah, you guys know. I was looking back. I'm trying to find that on there. I thought that's what you were doing, was making a joke. A muskrat. Elton Musk. Muskrat. Get it? I thought that's what you were doing with the joke. Okay. I thought you were joking. But yeah. They asked him, oh yeah, when he fucking did the interview with no pants on? Ha! That was funny. The muskrat, that's awesome. That's freaking funny. So yeah, guys, yeah, crazy stuff. But yeah, you should watch that real documentary on that. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay, anyways, enough of that stuff, guys. I'm out of here. I'm gone. I'm out of here, guys. And I want you guys to have an awesome day. And you ladies and gentlemen that want to do our video chats, we got to catch up on some stuff. Send me an email and tell me when you're available in the afternoon and what days. Because by me sending you a time, and then it just goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's easier if you tell me when you can do it. Just make it in the afternoon. And then I will say yay or nay, and if it works or not. Okay? I'll put the ball in your court now. Okay, guys. Peace. Love you, Wolfpack. And I'll see you in the morning. If things turn out. Do. Hopefully the powers of YouTube. No, I think we got this now. Okay, guys? You have a good night. Okay? Over and out.